Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So I've just purchased these wireless earbuds. They're the xS2 by a company called xFyro. Now the one reason I really like these earbuds is because the design of them is very slim and very compact, as you can see here. And the other thing I really like about these true wireless earbuds is that the charging case doubles up as a power bank. So let's go ahead and give you guys a full review of the capabilities of this little set. Alright guys, as you can see, it's very slim, it's very compact, you can take it easily in your pocket anywhere you like. Now the one thing I really like about it is the design. It does come in 3 different colors. This one is sort of a midnight blue, but it also comes in black and also red. It does have an aluminium alloy shell for the case as well, but the actual earbuds themselves are made of silicone. And the other thing I really like about this set of earbuds as well is that it does come with an official IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, which means you can take the earbuds themselves into a pool, or if you're out in the rain, it wouldn't cause any problems. So it can be submerged up to 1 meter deep, but obviously I wouldn't recommend if you're going to go swimming with this. They may fall out and you might lose them. But I really like the design of the actual earbuds as well. So if you do purchase the blue earphones, you get these white silicone tips as well, and it does come with 3 additional pairs for different sizes. Now the earbuds do have a soft button control as well to do various things, and I will cover that in a second. So when you try to put this back into the case, they're magnetic, so they snap right into position, and if you do try to maybe drop them out, you can see that they're very solid and they've got a good grip on there, so they're not going to fall out of the actual case themselves. Now if you wanted to look at some of the other specs, take a look at the screenshot. Obviously go ahead and pause the video if you wanted to look in more details. But the other thing I really like about this set of headphones is that they come with 8 hours of playback time on a single charge, and it takes about 1 hour to fully charge the actual case as well, and overall you'll get up to 50 hours of listening time with the charging case. Now as I mentioned earlier, this does double up as a power bank, which is awesome. So it does have a port here called out. So if you open this up, you'll see that there is a traditional USB port there. So you plug your cable in and you can charge whatever device you'd like, whether that's your phone or another set of headphones, even like AirPods for example. So that's very convenient. As you can see here, I've just put it into my phone and it starts charging straight away. The first time you take them out of the case, they will pair to each other, and then when you open up your phone and go to the Bluetooth settings, they'll automatically be in pairing mode for the first time, and it's very quick and easy. The first time I tried it, it paired straight away, and you get a confirmation that it's now paired with your phone. So as you can see here with the design, it's very compact. It's quite secure as well. The silicone tips with the silicone material of the earbud itself makes it very comfortable, and it fits in perfectly and it's quite secure. So even if I shake my head, they don't fall out. And I've had a lot of cheap true wireless earbuds in the past that just fly out, especially when you get a little bit sweaty and you start working out in the gym for example. Then it's not something that you like, but this one feels like it's super secure. Now wearing this, it does drown out a little bit of the background noise as well. It's not completely noise cancelling, but it does have CVC 6.0 noise cancellation on there as well, so that's a really good bonus. Now this isn't a touch capacitive earbud. It does have a soft button as well that you press, and I actually prefer that. Sometimes when I'm maybe moving my hat around or fixing something in my hair or putting some glasses on, I accidentally touch the earbuds that are touch sensitive and it changes or pauses the song or anything like that. So I prefer it when it's got a touch button on it as well, and this is very easy to press, and it has multiple controls for your music or for phone calls as well. Take a look at the screenshot. You can single press, double press, triple press or hold to do multiple things, and here's a list of all those things that I've got from the user guide. So do pause the video if you want to look at what this can do in terms of the controls in more details, but I'll leave a link in the description as well to the actual user manual if you wanted to read all the information about the different capabilities of the actual earbuds. So let me go ahead. I'm going to play some music as well with this, and I want you guys to check to see if you're able to hear any noise leak. So I'll give you an audio review, and I'll move the microphone a little bit closer to see how much of the noise leaks out of the earbuds and see if you guys can hear that. Very good quality. I have the volume about 50% and it is pretty loud, so I can imagine how loud it would be if I go to 100%. It would probably start hurting my ears a little bit, but I think that's a bonus, because if you're in like a flight or a very noisy train and you want to drown out a lot of the background noise, this would be perfect to do that, because at 50% I can barely hear myself speaking right now. So what I'm going to do is move the microphone a little bit closer to the earbud, and I'm going to put the volume at about 90%, so let me know if you guys can hear the noise leaks. Now just remember, I am indoors in a very quiet area of my house, and I do have a very sensitive shotgun microphone that will pick up pretty much any noise in the room itself. So depending on that, you would have heard a bit of the noise leaks, but if you're outdoors, maybe on the bus or on the train, and you have the volume at 50%, I'm pretty sure you're not going to get any noise leaks. So that's a real good bonus, and I'm really happy with these set of headphones. The last thing I wanted to mention is that they do come in at $99, which I think is a really good price for this type of headphones, which look very high quality. And I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can purchase this. If you have any other questions, do let me know, and if you really like this review, I'd appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. I've got tons more headphone reviews coming out in the future, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.